Hello and welcome to Elif's Kitchen. Today I want to share with you my recipe for authentic Turkish delight with lemon and hazelnuts. If you like my video, don't forget to hit the like button and to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications by clicking the bell icon. First, for the syrup of the lokum, let's put 4 cups of powdered sugar into a pot. Add 1½ cups of water and a slice of lemon, then place it on the stove. Stir occasionally until it boils. After it starts boiling, let it simmer on low heat for 15 minutes. Then remove the lemon from it and take it off the heat to let it cool. Into a separate pot, add 400 milliliters, 2 cups of water, 200 milliliters, 1 cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice, and 1 teaspoon, 10 grams of cream of tartar. Add 1 cup, 115 grams of corn or wheat starch, and mix well. Then place it on the stove and stir continuously until it boils. When it starts to thicken, reduce the heat and slowly pour in the syrup we prepared earlier while stirring quickly. Add the syrup in several batches to prevent clumping. After adding all the syrup, cook on high heat until it boils. After it starts boiling, reduce to medium-low heat and stir very frequently. Don't leave it unattended to prevent sticking. After the first half hour, see how it's thickening. From now on we don't stop stirring and keep stirring constantly for a total cooking time of 45 minutes. As I said, we don't stop stirring. After this point it can easily stick to the bottom. By the way, you can use orange juice, tangerine or pomegranate juice instead of lemon juice. Or you can make it plain using just water. After 45 minutes, add 100 grams of coarsely chopped hazelnuts. Mix well again, and turn off the heat. I'll use a rectangular baking dish. Let's grease it lightly with oil using a pastry brush. Then pour the lokum mixture into the dish. Look, I want to show you in the pot. It definitely didn't stick because I kept stirring. After the lokum reaches room temperature, cover it with plastic wrap and refrigerate overnight. For dusting the lokum, mix 2 heaping tablespoons of powdered sugar and 2 tablespoons of starch. You can also use coconut if you prefer. The next day, we remove the lokum from the mold. To make it easier to remove, I'm sprinkling some of the powdered sugar and starch mixture on top. I'm running a knife around the edges. As you know, I greased the mold but it was still a bit difficult to remove. I'm sprinkling more of the powdered sugar and starch mixture. And let's cut the lokum to our desired size. After cutting, I'll coat them in the powdered sugar starch mixture and place on a plate. You can also coat them in coconut if you prefer. As you can see in the video, it has the perfect authentic lokum consistency. The taste is wonderful too. You can make it with any fruit you want. It's absolutely delicious. Look, you can see. I recommend you try it too. For those who will try, good luck and enjoy. I'm looking forward to your likes and comments. Thank you for watching my video.